Guys, how are you? Coach Dimitri here from Pure Body Type Training. I'm going to show you how to do an elevated medicine ball mountain climber. Now this is an excellent exercise, not just for your core, but for the stabilizing muscle of the shoulders, to work the forearm flexor muscles, which are going to be used to hold a position. It's going to burn out your legs and it's going to get your heart rate really, really high. Now, some key things to remember. It's called elevated because we're using the ball as an elevated surface versus going from the floor. When you're holding onto the ball, whether it's a wide ball or a small ball, you want to make sure your chest is over the ball. If I perform the movement in this position, you'll notice my shoulders are doing all the load, and you want to make sure that you have your chest in place. Now, two different variations. Beginner variation, 1 foot forward, your toe is on the ground, and all we're going to do is switch and hold. Okay? This is a more beginner version because we're not putting our feet in the air balancing, and we're just holding. Another version is going to be toes off the floor. This is a more advanced version. Now, if you want to go faster, you can go faster. If you want to hold, you can hold. The longer you hold the contraction, the more stimulation and the more challenging the movement's going to be. What you want to remember is that you're not in this position, and we do not want to be dragging our feet. We're going to hop and breathe and breathe and breathe. That's how you do an elevated medicine ball mountain climber.